If you recently got the Android 15 on your Pixel phone, there is a new setting called the color contrast, which you want to go ahead and check out under display settings. After you got the recent Android 15 update, use the quick access here, pull it down twice until you get access to the settings toggle right there. As you tap on that, you'll be taken to this section here. Then I want you to go to where it says display and touch right there. As you enter here now, you will go down a little bit past all this until you reach the color section right here. So you'll see color contrast. As you enter here, basically in the layout, you're gonna see a preview and you can choose which one you want. So at default, you'll have something looking like this, and medium will give you this here, and then high will give you this here. Okay, so these settings will of course help you with your viewing or your sightseeing. So if there's some letters or labels that are hard to see on your phone, this just might help. You also have the high contrast text, which when you turn it on, there's gonna be like a sort of white outline shown on text. And this is more visible on words like that are in areas like this here. Notice that little white right there around the word that says this, such as these here, those icons there. You'll notice there is a white highlight outline on them. So that's what that's gonna do, okay? And that's basically it for this tutorial here. Don't forget to hit that like and sub.